Hi friends, Bill here with an up-close look at a really smart way to take care of a sizable investment. If you own a DJI Pocket 3 Creator Combo, you know that it came in a pouch, a vinyl pouch with some padding and lots of compartments in it, right? So there's storage for all sorts of things in here, but it's still a soft-sided pouch. And I don't know about you, but as I travel with my Pocket 3, I kind of like to have a little bit more protection for it. So we ordered this case. We're going to take an up-close look at it together for the first time as we open it up, and we'll transfer the contents of the soft-sided carry case into something a little bit more secure. So let's see how this all works out. And it's kind of one of those fun unboxing moments. I realize also that this is a very limited, kind of a niche product. In my world of radio, whenever a conversation on the air centers around something really specific and niche, we call it radio for one. So I also understand that this overview or this review could very well be video for one or two or a few hundred of you who have a DJI Pocket 3 Creator Combo. So I ordered this case from BRDC. That's the name of the brand. The entire case comes out in a very, very compact form with a neoprene grip sure outside shell on it, which I really like. By the way, I also like this because it's going to easily fit inside the main compartment of my backpack that I use all the time when I travel. Let's open it up together and see what we have. Okay, kind of a fur-lined setup in here. I like that nice soft feel because you want everything in the world of your Pocket 3 to be protected. You want it to be soft. You don't want to have any abrasions. Remember, we're dealing with a touch screen here. I did put a touch screen protector on it, but what we want mostly in this case is full protection for all the various components. So as you would expect, the case easily handles the Pocket 3 in its protective shell. We like that part quite a bit. We've got the tripod that came with the Creator Combo. That's got a little spot right here, including a little cutout for the thread. Your extra battery handle fits conveniently right in over on this side. Your microphone, it's got its own slot up here, including a space for the windscreen, which can fit right in here. I haven't even taken that out of the packet yet, but that's going to go right in here, and we can work with that a little bit later on. Your charging cables, and then of course your wide-angle lens and the other accessories that came as part of the Creator Combo. Let's see, I think we've got everything emptied out of the soft-shelled case. So we come over into this side, we'll open up the zipper compartment and take out the carrying strap that goes around the outside and clips, of course, right into these rings on the outside if you want to carry it over your shoulder. We've got the ever-present gel pack. Now we've got some space to put some things, right? So let me finish up in the main compartment. We'll put the tripod handle in here. And because I don't use the windscreen very much, because I almost always use a lavalier mic, I'm going to keep it in its original packet. And we're going to put some things right up here in the mesh storage area, including what is a very valuable component for me. If I'm going to use the lavalier mics, I've got to have this adapter stuck up in here. So we'll have that securely stored up in here. And then if you're into the wide angle lens, you can actually use these little slots that are carved out right here. I have not used that yet, but that's where that would go. So in the end, everything fits in here really, really well. There's actually some extra space that I have not used. This case, very durable, very lightweight, fits in my backpack and will become my go-to transportation protection for my Pocket 3 Creator Combo.